What is up, guys? Today I'm gonna be showing you how to turn on or how to turn off flashlight notifications on iPhone. Any iPhone, this works. Okay, so you want to go to settings, and after that you want to scroll down a little bit and click on accessibility, as you can see here. Accessibility. All right, now you want to scroll down a little bit where it says audio slash visual. Okay, audio slash visual, you want to click it, and after that you want to scroll down at the very bottom. Okay, you will see here LED flash for alerts. You want to just turn it on. Okay, just click it. If you want to turn it off, do the opposite. You want to turn it, just uncheck this. Okay, if you want to turn it on, just check this. All right, that's all you need to do to turn on flashlight notification on iPhone. So I hope, guys, this video is useful to you. If it helped you, please drop a like and subscribe. See you guys in the next video.